So the people them say, them now get the information in a layman term. So the meteorologists, I get them in the hat. So, you come with me. See the storm here? See Melisa here? Melisa. You see black that them? Yeah. Black that them away. The path where she had travel upon. She is approaching slowly. She's gonna make a little turn. And you see South of Jamaica. Everybody again. Because she in the Caribbean, we have warmer waters in our Caribbean Sea. The water warm. It means say she can take her own sweet time. Gather her strength. And then you see South of Jamaica. Everybody get. So basically the South of Jamaica, there will be no South when she done.